We have rabbits out on pasture. Actually, this is our second round of rabbits. The first one, I'll explain it to you here in a second, but this is how I built my rabbit tractor. All right, so the rabbit tractor is kind of weird. We built it from a converted rabbit hutch cage. A lady named Jeannie Cotton from Cottontail Rabbitry. Thank you, Jeannie. And then we didn't need it for rabbits at that moment. So what I did was I used it as a temporary chicken tractor. So I kind of converted it, but I didn't have a top on it at that time. So I kind of had to build it from the inside out. Yeah, it was backwards. They are so excited about this. Then once we got our free chickshaw, the chickens moved into their new home. And now we're gonna move the chickens into their new home. Oh, Ollie, dude.
Yeah.
There we go.
Come back.
Okay, not yet, Ollie. You gotta wait for the directions, buddy. Okay. So let's first use. And I was finally able to turn the rabbit hutch turned chicken tractor back into the official rabbit tractor. And get some bunnies in there. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna go use my table saw. That is not fun cutting this thing. It's a little scary. Yeah, this was really nice, and it made us feel amazingly good that we had livestock out on pasture, especially because we had the beautiful cover crop from Green Cover Seed, amazing company. Go check them out. We just could not be more impressed with their cover crop seeds. It was so good to see the animals just chomping down on all of this beautiful green life forage for our animals. That it worked. It was working.
That is hilarious. Just hearing them chop 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 chop. Chop 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 chop.
But unfortunately, it was very short-lived because the rabbits started to escape. They dug underneath the tractor and they escaped. And I tried to build the boards back in more and more to where they couldn't see daylight, and it didn't work. They broke out of Alcatraz. You stupid vulture. Let's see if I can hit you. Ugh. No, I missed. Yeah, another piece of wood. So I had to install this wire underneath so that they couldn't escape. So this kind of makes me a little bit sad because they're not really on the grass like I wanted. And it's tough, you know, it's really, really tough. They like to dig. This bottom wire is actually a converted dog kennel panel, or maybe it's two of them. It works great and it's coated, so it's nice on their feet. Now this is not long term. We ended up doing this probably 2 weeks before we butchered our first round of meat rabbits. So the first round of rabbits were able to have most of their time out on the beautiful, like on the grass without any kind of barrier. It was amazing. But they started escaping, and that was stressful trying to catch rabbits. It just was not cool. So we needed to put the wire down for my sanity. And that was also during my month of YouTube darkness. So we're gonna figure out a more long-term situation for our meat rabbits out on pasture whenever it's not 105 degrees and we have better forage for them. Probably what it's gonna be is some kind of wire that they can still get most of the grass, but it's not quite as much. So maybe a wire out and then leaving the middle open. And also I'm not really gonna show you very much of the dimensions of this because this is very custom. I would probably, if I were to do a rabbit tractor from scratch, I would make it a little bit wider and maybe a little bit taller. Actually, the height of it is not all that bad. And just, I would make it just a little bit wider so that there would be more space in the middle so that they don't dig. But this is it. This is a quick little design and it shows you what you can do. But the great thing is we're able to spread beautifully their gorgeous rabbit manure so that we can repair our soil after we cleared everything with a dozer. And just rabbit meat is so healthy, nutritious, and lean for you. We are stoked to be able to have them on our property. So hey, if you like this video, please leave a comment down below and gently smash that thumbs up button because it helps YouTube. It helps the YouTube algorithm wonderness. Oh, get our income expense report down below. See y'all later. Bye.